the town is so beautiful, like I can't explain it in the words. You smell chocolate in the air in the entire town, and the weather is so windy today. Ducks and flowers, and it's very beautiful. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Good morning. It's 7 in the morning and we are going to Zaanse Schans, which is the windmill village in Netherlands. So yeah, let's go together and see the beautiful town. So as you can see, it's 7:14 in the morning and it shows that we have to go 423 kilometers and we will reach somewhere around 11:30. If you guys have seen my recent vlog of the Den Haag beach, it was the summery day and it was 29 degrees that day, and today it's just like 2 days after that and the temperature has dropped so much. It's 19 degree. Like I can't believe how drastically the weather changes here, and I think that was the only day of summer this year, and now it's I think again winter. Please turn right but okay, let's see what the weather will be there. It shows 19 degrees and very windy, but yeah, let's find it out. We just came like 5 kilometers from my house, and I'll just show you the view. The drive is going to be so amazing. So I've been to Netherlands before and from the same route, and the landscape changes so much and it gets so beautiful. Like you guys are going to love it. And in one of my vlog of Germany ke gaon, I have talked that there's a huge jungle behind my house, so I'm just going to show you guys that, and also the landscape after like 5 to 7 kilometers, how drastically it will change. So as you can see, it's just like it shows 418 kilometers now, and this is the jungle that I was talking about. I was just taking a nice nap and suddenly it started raining so heavily. Like, can you guys hear the sound of droplets? Or let me just show it to you how heavily it is raining. So I just opened my weather app to check the weather, and I found out this thing in the app. Do you see like how it's showing that it's thunderstorm, and literally like the app is showing like the lightning and everything. Isn't it so cool? I have like found it today only. Did you guys know about it before? Let me know in the comment section. And if you didn't know about it, then yeah, I told you about a cool feature. So there's some traffic on the road, and as you can see, like all the cars are like on this part of the road, and like the ones who are there on the other lane are on that side of the road. So it's so good here that they leave the space in between if any emergency vehicle like ambulance or if police car wants to cross. When you study the driving license also, like it is one of the very important rule that you need to keep in mind. We have taken our first stop at the petrol station and 1 more hour to reach the destination. We are taking a small pause here to just eat and drink a little bit, and also we are like driving since 3 hours, so we just thought we'll stop and rest a little bit. So let me just show you what kind of place is this. So you can see like there are benches where you can sit and eat, and people are like have stopped there, parked their cars. It's good. It's like near the jungle, I think. Lemon and mint made by me. when you enter Netherlands from Germany, you see a lot of street lights on the road, a lot of windmills, and also you see a lot of cows and sheep on the roadside. From 400 kilometers to just 4 kilometers left. This is something I have never seen in my life. Do you guys see they have opened the road, and because the ship was passing, like, do you see the ship is going there? There, yeah. Do you see that? So they have opened this road and now it will close, I think. Oh my god, this is something like really new for me. I've seen this in some movies, but seeing this for the first time, and it's crazy. Okay, so it's going down. Wow, that's so cool. Have you guys seen this like ever in your life? Let me know in the comment section. And we are like right now above the water and going towards our destination. Our destination Zaanse Schans, which is this beautiful windmill town, and it's just 10-15 minutes drive from Amsterdam city. And when we reached here, the first thing that I noticed about this city is that you smell chocolate. Yes, you smell chocolate in the air in the entire town. Like, we went 2-3 kilometers ahead also, and it just smells chocolate. So when I read about it, they have a chocolate museum or chocolate factory here, and because of that, like, there's chocolate in the air in the whole town, like very strong chocolatey air. So yeah, that's really amazing, and the weather is so windy today. So like, yeah, we have come to see the windmills, and the weather is so windy. Like, it's so windy that the wind is pushing me when I'm walking. But the town is so beautiful, like I can't explain it in the words. So it's better that I talk less and show more. So let's take you in this beautiful town and show you around. And yeah, I forgot to tell you one thing. When you come here, if you are coming with car, be ready to pay 12 euros for parking. Yes, you heard it right, 12 euros. Now we are going towards these windmills, and let's have a closer look of them. the time I reached here, I was just smelling chocolate, so I decided to try the hot chocolate here. So they have like multiple shops here in which they are like showcasing different things. So one of them is like below this windmill where they are selling hot chocolate and like this biscuit. It's so windy, so I can't like show properly. So yeah, I tried this already and it's very very yummy, and I'm going to try this in some time and maybe let you know soon that how was this. And yeah, the biscuit was very good, so it had a really strong flavor of cinnamon. So if you love cinnamon, it's for you. This town also has all these water canals and these small bridges, so it makes more fun to walk around them, and it looks very beautiful, and they have a lot of ducks and flowers, and it's very beautiful. So this was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, please make sure to give it a like, and also please share it with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for more such videos. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.